And welcome to a standard view room in Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. These rooms were recently renovated. As soon as you walk in, there are a few full-sized closets. Extra pillows for the pull-out. You'll also find a safe as well. And a coffee station. And down here is your more of a beverage cooler than a fridge. And here's back. So if we go into the room, this room does connect. Here's your smart TV, storage with your drawers, 2 queen beds, lovely clean new floors. You do have outlets by your beds, as well as over here. I love these additions right there. And then we're on the 2nd floor, which doesn't give us a full balcony. And unfortunately right now, there's a lot of construction happening at the Polynesian, and this is our view. But again, this is a standard view, and that's to be expected. It's a chair, another one of those small little tables. Then you come back this way. This will actually open up to a twin size bed as well. Beautiful space. This is the bathroom, which is a nice addition that someone can use the bathroom and door it off. There are toilets in there. That's the commode. Full bathtub. Great shower. Lovely doors. All in all, a beautiful room. But the view can be better. But once we close those, you won't even know it.